Hi, my name is Brent, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Spinfi application. This is a productivity application I've been working on for some time, and essentially what it does is tracks the time on any tasks that you might have in mind in tracking the time for. Uh, so basically, I'll just do a general rundown. This is the main screen, and the main screen there's a dial, and the dial can be moved either in 360 degrees, and you could drop it based on where you'd like to, which task you'd like to have it start to record or assign the time to. So in this case, I could put in something like homework, you know, right here, and then I could hit the play button to start to record the time and let that go. So this is the main dial. This is the blue dial, and you could see based on this navigation bar here at the top. So if I want to go to the next screen, I just swipe to the left, and there's another dial here. It does essentially the same thing, and then another dial here on this side, which is the green dial. So what's interesting about this is that if you want to do two tasks at the same time, it's possible. You just simply assign a task for this field, email. You can move the dial over and then hit the play button, and it locks the dial in place. So let that go. And there's also a menu screen as well. So this is where you can go to your profile, you can go to statistics and hit the profile, and see I already have some field data already in there, so I could change it so that it's not the same. So Brendan, and then leave that as 24. Hit submit to save. So what I'm doing here is I'm saving my general profile. There's only two fields, but later on, what I had intended to do was to actually use the data recorded and to use it into the statistics page. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get to it, and I just have these as placeholders right now. So each dial would technically have a corresponding statistics page. So this would be for the red, the blue, and the green. And then you could also go back to the main dial page by clicking on this home button right here on the top right corner. And you could see the timer is still going. So even if I go to the next screen, it's still the same. And if you want to stop it, you just hit the stop button and unlocks it. And then you can move to the next task if you'd like. So that's essentially it. There's really nothing else. Some issues that I do still need to work out are the locking mechanism. Obviously, when I lock, it still can move, so this is something I still need to work on here. The concurrency and, say, hitting the restart button, that doesn't always work. Sometimes it doesn't zero out completely. In this case it worked, so it's a very interesting bug I'm having. And then, let's see, I mean, some things I'd like to follow up on would probably be the fact of just being able to actually removing these two buttons entirely. I think it'd be better, more intuitive if the user would just move the dial, and then the timer would automatically stop and start based on the movement and the new task assigned. So that's the second iteration of the program I like to do. So, but at any rate, so that's pretty much it. I thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, feel free to leave any comments on the forum below. I really appreciate it, and thanks again.